Hello and welcome to this informative video where we will explore the benefits of jogging for your body. Jogging is a low-impact form of exercise that is easy, accessible, and can be done just about anywhere. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what happens to your body when you engage in 30 minutes of jogging every day. Improved cardiovascular health. Jogging is a great form of aerobic exercise that helps to improve your cardiovascular health. By getting your heart rate up and improving blood flow, you'll reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke and improve overall cardiovascular function. Stronger muscles. Jogging is a full-body workout that helps to build and maintain muscle mass. By engaging in this low-impact form of exercise, you'll be able to strengthen your muscle and improve your overall strength and stability. Better mental health. Jogging is a great form of exercise for improving your mental health. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters, helping you to feel happier and more relaxed. Additionally, jogging can help to reduce stress and anxiety, making it a great form of exercise for overall mental wellness. Increased energy levels. Jogging can also help to increase your energy levels, leaving you feeling more alert and awake throughout the day. By getting your heart rate up and improving blood flow, jogging can help to boost your energy levels and keep you feeling refreshed and energized. Better sleep. Regular jogging can also improve the quality of your sleep. By getting your heart rate up during the day, you'll be more likely to fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer at night. This can help you to feel more refreshed and rejuvenated in the morning, giving you the energy you need to tackle the day ahead. Healthy weight management. Jogging is a great form of exercise for maintaining a healthy weight and preventing weight gain. Whether you're looking to lose weight or simply maintain your current weight, jogging can help you to achieve your goals by burning calories and building muscle mass. Improved flexibility. Jogging is also a great form of exercise for improving flexibility. By engaging in this low-impact form of exercise, you'll be able to improve your range of motion, reduce the risk of injury, and maintain a healthy posture. In conclusion, there are numerous benefits to jogging for your body. Whether you're looking to improve your cardiovascular health, build stronger muscle, or improve your mental health, jogging is a great form of exercise that can help you achieve your goals. So, if you're looking for an easy, accessible, and effective form of exercise, be sure to give jogging a try and see the amazing benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. Stay healthy and stay fit.